Another day of protests in Portland at the ICE facility, and another day of waiting to see if National Guard troops will be sent into the city. On Wednesday, the Ninth Circuit ruled that the National Guard troops could remain federalized, but could not be deployed until after further judicial review.
Staying the part about nationalization, but not staying the TRO as it relates to deployment is sort of the middle ground. If they were to stay the TRO completely, then that means the troops could be deployed right away.
The Seventh Circuit, which covers Chicago, issued a nearly identical ruling Saturday.
Well, they haven't actually decided whether the TRO was properly granted. The stay is just like, what should we do right now?
Lewis and Clark law professor Tung Yin shares some insight into why the judges may have issued these initial halfway rulings.
We would have a situation where the troops first were called up. They had to go to the deployment centers. They have to leave their civilian jobs. Now they're training, they're hanging out. If they are told, no, you have to demobilize, now they go back to their civilian jobs. But next week, maybe they could be called up again. And so that's very disruptive to everybody.
This comes after district judges in Portland and Chicago both issued these temporary restraining orders blocking the federalization and deployment of National Guard troops. And President Donald Trump looks for ways around it, including deploying troops from other states. And KGW is continuously checking online court records for that ruling on the deployment. John?
All right, Jake Holter, thanks so much for that reporting. Stay safe out there tonight.